Question 5. Who can read this question?
Me.
Go ahead.
A construction company will be paving on oddly shaped parking lot. The foreman needs to determine how much materials and how many workers are needed for the job. Explain how to determine the area of a parking lot. Be sure to include your calculation.
Good. So, in all this problem, we have this parking lot, and we are required to just find this required information. Area. We need to find that area. Can you see this shape?
Yes.
What do you call it, this shape? You call it a rectangle? You're wrong. Because a rectangle is like this. Yes?
Hmm.
Or like this. Or like this. Well, it's not like that. We call it a square. Yeah, wrong. What do you call it? Because it has too many sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many sides?
10
sides.
10. So it's a decagon. I think it's a decagon. But we are not interested in this. We're interested in what? In calculating what?
Area.
The area. How to calculate the area of this shape, which is a polygon. We don't have any formula for this, yeah? So what you need to do is cut it into rectangle. Can you see if you cut it here?
Yes.
You get this rectangle. You calculate this area. Yes?
Yes.
And then you cut this part, maybe like this. Can you see?
Yes.
And you calculate this area. And then you have that left part, this small here. And you calculate this area. Or you can have another option, which is this area, this rectangle, and this rectangle, and this rectangle. It's up to you. Yes?
Yes.
So let's choose one option. Okay, so we're going to do this, the solution. Divide the parking lot into what?
Rectangles.
Rectangles. And then find the area of each rectangle. So let's divide it. Can you see this part?
Yes.
We take it out. This part, we take it out, and this part, we take it out. Can you see? Here we have our rectangles. How many rectangles?
3.
3 rectangles. We're going to calculate the area of this plus the area of this plus the area of this. Is that clear?
Yes.
What do we need? We need to know before. How do we calculate area of rectangle? Let's say this is a rectangle. How do you calculate this area? What is the formula?
Length times width.
Length times width. As I can see, I have this value here. Can you see it? But I don't have this. Yes?
Yes.
So I'm going to use my original shape to find this, to find this, to find this, to find this, and to find this. Is that clear?
Yes.
Come on. So when I divide this, I get this shape. Now I explain to you what I have done. What I have done is this. Look. I started from here. This shape, we know this is 40, yeah? To calculate this, I have used 88 minus 51. Where? Up there. I show you. Can you see this 88?
Yes.
This is all this side. All this is what? 88. Can you see this 51?
Yes.
This is this part, 51. So if you want to calculate this part, this length, which is exactly this length, yeah?
Yes.
What do? You take all this 88 and you cut this bit from it. Yes?
Yes.
That's why you have to do 88 minus 51. So this is 88 minus what?
51.
51. Any question? No. So now we understand how I got this, yeah? So this is 37. So I have 40, 37. So what is the area of this? Area 40 times
57.
37. Length times width equals what? 1480. We finished with this. Let's come to this part. Let me clear now. Let's come to this part. This one is 51. Where? It's given. Can you see it? This bit. This one is 51. So, this one is 51. How much is this? Who can tell me? How much is this? How do I get this
16 minus 40.
Huh?
16 minus 40, or 40 minus 16.
40
40 minus 16.
minus 16, well done. We take all this minus this part. You minus this, from 40, you get this. All this is 40, minus 16, you get this. So this is 40 minus 16. And that's what I showed you here. Can you see it? Let me clear. 40 minus 16. All this minus this bit gives you this length, which is what? 24. So this is 24, and this is what? 51. What's the area?
You multiply, we get
51 times 24, which is here, equals this. So we know this area, we know this area. Now we come to this one. This one is very simple. Look at the original shape. The original shape, we have this part. How much is this part?
38.
38. We have this part. How much is this part? 16. And this one, we found it here, you remember?
Yes.
Which is 40 minus
16.
16. Which is what?
24.
24. So this part is 24. So this is 24 from here. Okay. So if I want to calculate all this, what do I do?
We add.
We add. We add 38 to 24 to 16. 38 plus 24
Minus-
plus 16
Minus 10, sir.
equals how much?
Minus 10.
68? 78.
Or 78.
It's 78. So this is 78. So if I want to calculate the area of this rectangle, I multiply 38 by 78. Length times width, which is done here. Can you see it here?
Yes.
78 times 38, which is this side times this side. Length times width. You get 2,964. After you do this, just add them. You have 3 parts with area of each one of them. Each one of them has an area as calculated. You add them together, you get what? The total area. Add this to this to this, which is here. Final answer is 5,668 square. Done.